Ever get that feeling that there's just not enough of you to go around? Like you're constantly chasing your tail, trying to keep up with everything life throws your way? What if I told you there's a way to clone yourself, at least in the digital world, and build a thriving business while you're at it? That's the promise of YouTube automation. And in 2025, it's not just a pipe dream, it's a real, tangible opportunity. But before you dive headfirst into the world of faceless channels and AI-generated content, let's get real about what it takes to build a successful YouTube automation business in the coming year. What is YouTube automation anyway? At its core, YouTube automation is all about managing a channel with as little direct involvement as possible. Think of it as building a machine that churns out content, attracts viewers, and generates revenue, all while you focus on the bigger picture. This involves automating tasks such as script writing, video editing, thumbnail design, SEO optimization, content management. The goal is to leverage tools and outsourcing to scale content production and channel growth, even if you're starting from scratch. Many of these channels are faceless, meaning the creator stays behind the scenes, focusing on branding, visuals, and engaging voiceovers crafted with automated tools. Why YouTube automation is exploding in 2025. So, why is everyone and their grandma suddenly talking about YouTube automation? Here's the lowdown. Video is king and queen by 2025. Video is predicted to make up over 80% of all internet traffic. People can't get enough of it, and that creates a massive opportunity for creators who know how to tap into that demand. AI is a game changer. Advanced AI tools have revolutionized content creation. From writing scripts to generating voiceovers to editing videos, these technologies make it possible for anyone to produce high-quality content, even without technical skills. Passive income dreams. Who doesn't want to make money while they sleep? YouTube automation offers the potential for passive income through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even merchandise sales. Once a channel is set up, it can generate revenue on autopilot. Scalability is the name of the game. Automated channels are incredibly scalable, allowing creators to manage multiple projects and diversify their income streams. You're not limited by your own time and energy. You can build an entire portfolio of channels working for you. Getting started, your step-by-step guide. Okay, you're intrigued. But how do you actually start a YouTube automation business in 2025? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you on the right track. Choose your niche wisely. The first step is to select a niche that has high demand but manageable competition. Look for trending topics and popular audience interests using tools like Google Trends, vidIQ, or TubeMagic. Evergreen niches like personal finance, health, or tech often provide consistent growth opportunities. Set up a professional channel. Create a professional YouTube channel with a memorable name, eye-catching logo, and well-designed banner. Optimize your About section with relevant keywords to improve discoverability. Your channel branding should reflect the content you plan to produce and appeal to your target audience. Invest in the right tools. To automate effectively, you'll need to invest in AI-powered tools and software that suit your needs and budget. Some popular options include Pictory for video creation, Descript for video editing, and Synthesia for AI-generated voiceovers. These tools can help you streamline the production process and ensure high-quality content. Content is still king. Even when automated, now that you have the tools, start creating engaging, valuable content. Focus on topics that resonate with your audience like tutorials, top 10 lists, or product reviews. The goal is to offer useful information or entertainment that encourages viewers to return and share your videos. Automate your workflow. Identify repetitive tasks that can be automated. This might include scheduling uploads, creating social media posts to promote your videos, or responding to comments. Use tools like Zapier or If to connect different apps and automate these processes. Outsource strategically. You can't automate everything yet. For tasks that require a human touch, consider outsourcing to freelancers. This might include script writing, video editing, voiceovers, or thumbnail design. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to find talented freelancers. Optimize for SEO. Just because your channel is automated doesn't mean you can ignore SEO. In fact, it's more important than ever. Use keyword research tools to identify the terms your target audience is searching for, and then optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags accordingly. Promote your channel. Don't just rely on YouTube's algorithm to bring viewers to your channel. Promote your videos on social media, forums, and other relevant platforms. Consider running paid ads to reach a wider audience. Analyze and adapt. Keep a close eye on your channel analytics to see what's working and what's not. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, engagement, and subscriber growth. Use this data to refine your content strategy and optimize your channel for better performance. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to success on YouTube, whether you're automating or not. Develop a content calendar and stick to it as much as possible. Aim to upload new videos on a regular basis, even if it's just once a week. The millionaire question: can you really make bank with YouTube automation? The million-dollar question: literally, can YouTube automation actually make you a millionaire? The short answer is yes, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. With the right strategy, tools, and commitment, YouTube automation can evolve from a side hustle to a full-blown empire generating life-changing income. Here's the formula. Build a portfolio of channels. One of the secrets to scaling YouTube automation is diversifying your income streams by running multiple channels. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, create a portfolio of channels in different niches. Monetize every opportunity. YouTube offers numerous monetization avenues, including ad revenue through the YouTube Partner Program, channel memberships, Super Chat and Super Stickers, merchandise shelf, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Take advantage of as many of these opportunities as possible to maximize your income. Automate and outsource everything. The beauty of YouTube automation lies in delegation. Instead of doing everything yourself, outsource tasks like script writing, video editing, voiceovers, and thumbnail design to freelancers. Tools like TubeMagic, Pictory, and CapCut can further simplify the process, allowing you to focus on scaling rather than execution. The challenges of automation. Of course, YouTube automation isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are some challenges you need to be aware of. Maintaining quality. Automating content creation can sometimes lead to a decline in quality. It's important to carefully review all content before it's published to ensure it meets your standards. Standing out from a crowd. With so many automated channels popping up, it can be difficult to stand out from a crowd. You'll need to find a way to differentiate your channel and offer unique value to your audience. Keeping up with the algorithm. YouTube's algorithm is constantly changing, which can make it difficult to maintain consistent traffic and engagement. You'll need to stay up to date on the latest algorithm updates and adjust your strategy accordingly. Building a community. Automated channels can sometimes feel impersonal, which can make it difficult to build a strong community around your brand. You'll need to find ways to engage with your audience and foster a sense of connection. Avoiding the pitfalls. Best practices for 2025. To navigate the challenges of YouTube automation and maximize your chances of success, here are some best practices to keep in mind. Focus on quality over quantity. Don't just churn out content for the sake of it. Focus on creating high-quality videos that provide real value to your audience. Be authentic. Even if you're not showing your face on camera, try to inject some personality into your videos. Let your audience get to know the real you, even if it's just through your voiceover or writing style. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts and opinions. Building a community is essential for long-term success. Stay up to date. The world of YouTube is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends, tools, and best practices. Attend industry events, read blogs, and follow thought leaders in the space. Be patient. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Just keep creating great content, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your channel for better performance. The future of YouTube automation. So, what does the future hold for YouTube automation? Here are a few predictions. AI will become even more powerful. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated tools for automating content creation. This could include AI-powered scriptwriting, video editing, and even virtual avatars that can represent you on camera. Personalization will be key. As the competition for viewers' attention intensifies, personalization will become increasingly important. Creators will need to find ways to tailor their content to individual viewers' interests and preferences. Community will be more important than ever. In a world of automated content, building a strong community will be essential for standing out from the crowd. Creators will need to find ways to foster a sense of connection with their audience and create a loyal following. The lines between human and AI will blur. As AI technology becomes more advanced, it will become increasingly difficult to tell the difference between content created by humans and content created by AI. This could raise ethical questions about transparency and authenticity. Final thoughts. Is YouTube automation worth it in 2025? So, is YouTube automation worth it in 2025? Absolutely. As video consumption continues to rise and AI technology becomes more powerful, YouTube automation offers a unique opportunity to build a scalable, profitable online business. By automating repetitive tasks, outsourcing strategically, and focusing on creating high-quality content, you can tap into the massive potential of YouTube and generate passive income while you sleep. However, it's important to remember that YouTube automation is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and commitment to build a successful channel. You'll need to be patient, persistent, and willing to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of YouTube. But for those who are willing to put in the work, the rewards can be substantial. With the right strategy and execution, YouTube automation can be a game changer, allowing you to build a thriving business and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.